Hi boys and girls, Miss Rodriguez here. So today I'm going to read you a book about an astronaut. The book is called I Want to Be an Astronaut. I want to be an astronaut, a member of the crew, and fly on the shuttle into outer space. I want to be up there on a space mission and have ready-to-eat meals and sleep in zero gravity. I want to put on a spacesuit and walk around space and help fix a satellite and build a factory in orbit. I want to be up there a while and then come back to Earth. I just want to be an astronaut and visit outer space. The end. Thank you so much for coming into an outer space adventure with me with this book. Have a good day, boys and girls. Bye.